Sunday. I cannot believe this. This is so awesome, folks. We're at 600 subscribers. Probably over 600 by the time you all see this, but nonetheless, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all the love and support that you all have showed me over the past year. I haven't been doing this for a year yet. I'm at 600 subscribers. This is truly amazing. In celebration of this, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. But I need you all to tune into this video so you can find out how to enter to win. This giveaway is for 2 $25 gift cards. I need you to stick around to see how you can get them though. Let's go. Hey folks, I'm at it once again. Today I'm out here at Cersei boat launch on the west fork of the Stones River. We're gonna float down to Thompson Lane. About a 3 or 5 mile trip somewhere in there. Should be fun though. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up. That helps people find my videos. Folks, let's get after it. Peace.
Something got it.
Oh, didn't mean to bounce it off the rock. Not really where I wanted it. I don't think I've cast a bobber since I was a kid. Look at bass would sit right there. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this black smallmouth I caught. Oh my God.
You hit it right at the boat?
Yes. No, it hit it over there, but this is a black smallmouth. Look at that.
Wow. Yeah, I caught a few black.
That's dope. Folks, look at that smallmouth. You saw him hit that? He looked almost black before I got him in the boat. He was cool though. First bass in a little while. Appreciate him getting on. Ooh, that felt good right there. That was a nice hook set. You folks saw that? And that was just a shiner right there on this little hook. I think he got the shiner though. He can have it though. Did you eat it? Can you guys see the shiner in his mouth? Probably not. Peace out, buddy. Appreciate you. Dopeness on the Stones River. Yeah, swim over there towards that rock where a bass is going to be hiding. Thank you. This is a nice one. Oh, yes. Gotcha. Right on the top of the mouth. This is a nice one. Oh, folks, you see that? Oh. Oh, okay. Ah, yes. Yes. That felt good. Alright, folks, let's now go into this tree. Get ourselves together here and situated. You're free to swim around in that net. I don't know where to go. You here. You gonna be, yeah, I caught a nice smallie. You wanna see him? All right, folks, I mostly want to get away from that tree so I can show you guys this fish here.
Oh, wow, good one.
Yeah, nice one.
That's bigger than the little one I caught.
Little smallmouth. Appreciate him getting on. Appreciate that. You folks see that? Y'all see that? Nice little fish right there. Appreciate him. Peace out, buddy. Oh, shiner gone. Shiner out.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How about yourselves?
Y'all have any luck?
Yeah, I just caught about 2 smallies. He's caught a few. Oh my God! It happened again. Topwater. I got him. Oh my God! He keeps coming back for it. Oh my God! Come here and get it.
Splash the water with it.
All right. Almost flipped. Woo! Oh, why am I not moving? Got you, little guy. Appreciate you. Look at that right there, folks. Little smallmouth. You got him right in the lip. Nice size, little guy. Appreciate him getting on. Get that water. Yeah. Nice little chunky guy. See that belly on him right there? That thick little belly on him. Appreciate you getting on. Peace out. Woo! Thank you to all you loyal Sunday viewers who have stuck through this video so far. Appreciate you all tuning in as always. Let me tell you how you can enter to win this giveaway. This is gonna be 2 $25 gift cards that I'm gonna be giving away. What you need to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a comment in this video. All right? I tell you what, leave me a comment about your favorite video that I posted, all right, folks? In about 1 week, next couple of videos, I'm gonna announce the winner of those 2 $25 gift cards and get them shipped out to you. All right, folks, I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. We keep on growing, keep on going. Let's do it. We got 3 contestants left on the Meet a Bass Express. You too can meet a smallmouth bass. Got him. Gotcha. I saw you take it. I wasn't quite sure. You are chunky. The hit. It's a. What are you? I'm trying to see what it is. It's a spot or a largemouth. This thing is chunky. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at all that belly right there. You wear tummy shirts around here, aren't you? You walk around with your tummy out. This hook is on the other side of this fish's face, folks. You see that? That's crazy. You wanted that. Alright, folks. Gotta do a little surgery on you. No, nothing major. Alright. You're a crazy guy. Folks, this little spot. You see this chunkiness on him? Look at that belly. Look at that belly right there. Chunky chunk chunk. He's been eating well. Look at that belly. Peace out, buddy. Around them, they're pretty big, as you can see. Almost about to pull me back into it. Let's not do that. All right, folks, that does it for this float. Had an awesome time out here on the Stones River once again. As always catch fish out here. Appreciate you all for tuning in. Remember, folks, there's a lot of river out of there. Peace.